Here's a quick overview of the 25-inch cleaning dual rotating brush. The water and electricity come up a unified hose that comes up to the center. The electricity splits and the water splits into the two 24-volt motors with their manifolds. The water cools the manifold and sprays out through the center to go out and rinse off the surface that you're cleaning. So clean faster, more efficient. Needs about 2.5 to 3 gallons a minute to run ideally. You can use more if you want. It is super easy and maneuverable because what you've got is your water line source that hooks to this quick connector, and then your backpack power. If you don't want to deal with the battery, it is included with it a 110 volt power source and another extension cable so that you can run, if you're running a generator or shore power back at the water source, you can just run power out to it easily as well. So nice little system for cleaning large surfaces like solar panels.